Hey guys, today we're going to be going over functions with you guys. We're going to be talking about how to solve for them and how to prove them on a graph.
For evaluating a function, you need to determine the function name and independent variable. The following equation, g of x equals 5 parentheses x plus 9, we can see that the x is replaced with 7, so now the equation is g of 7 equals 5 parentheses 7 plus 9. So we're plugging in the x, and we do parentheses first, so 7 plus 9 equals 16, and then we have the 5 times 16, which equals 80, so our answer is 80.
To prove a function in a graph, there will always be one input on x and one output on y. The yellow line will have multiple y answers, and so will the purple. As you can see on the green line, the purple touches twice on the green line, and the yellow touches 4 times on the line. The red one will always have one answer since it always touches once on the green line. This makes the red line a proper function on a graph.
I hope this video helped you on solving functions and how to prove them on a graph. Thank you for watching our video.